Hi guys, my name is Rishwan and I am studying in 7th standard. I have not posted a video since a month due to my exams. Unfortunately, my exams are cancelled. I can't play with my friends. Playing in grounds, no way. Traveling, no chance. So, I would request all my brothers, sisters, and my friends of India to stay at home, use hand sanitizers or hand washes to wash your hands, and stay safe, stay at home. So, let's move to our topic, that is our review, which is a bit old car but a good car, which is our indigenous product. And the car which I am going to review is this, the Tata Indigo CS. CS means compact sedan. It is called as compact sedan as it is under 4 meters. So let's move on to our review. Thanks. This is the Tata Indigo CS. Let me show you the three-dimensional view of this vehicle. And let's open the hood of the vehicle right now. So this is the engine bay of the vehicle. This is the intercooler of the vehicle. So let's talk about the engine now. This is a Tata 1.4 liter turbocharged diesel engine, and the power output of this vehicle is 70 PS at 4500 rpm, and the torque output is 135 Nm at 2500 rpm. And let's close the hood right now. Before that, there's insulation over here, and every cars get hood scoop outside, but this gets a hood scoop under the hood, that means inside. So let's close the engine bay right now. The engine bay is closed right now. Let's head to the design of the vehicle. This is a simple design, and for starters, it gets a chrome line that's in the middle, and it gets this horizontal lines over here with a Tata logo on it, and this is the Tata's humanity line over here, as you can see. And it gets fog lamps, and this is the towing hook of the vehicle. The lights are halogen. These don't get projector setups. And let us move to the side. As we come to the side, let's check the tire size of this vehicle. The tire size is 175/65 R14s, and this are aftermarket wheel caps. They don't get alloys. While the vehicle was bought, it doesn't get wheel caps. It was aftermarket. And let's move to the side of the vehicle. Let me show you the side. This is the side of the vehicle. The side of the vehicle, as we notice that this outside rear view mirrors get a chrome line here, and it also gets a side indicator. I forgot to tell one thing, that the shock absorbers of this vehicle are independent. It gets all the independent shocks on all four wheels. The front suspension is an independent lower wishbone MacPherson strut suspension, and the back suspension is also an independent 3-link and MacPherson strut type. As I told, it gets independent suspensions on all four wheels. Let's check the fuel tank capacity. So it's written diesel only, and the fuel tank capacity is 42 liters. It's 42 liters. So let's close it right now. Let's head to the back right now. This is the back view of the vehicle. As we see, these are the tail lamps of the vehicle. It does not get LEDs. It gets normal lights. This is the turbocharged diesel engine badging over here, and Tata logo given in chrome. Indigo CS badging given over here, and this is the LX. there are three main models, that is the LE, LS and LX. This is the LX. I think this is the top model version. So let's open the boot right now. This is the boot of the vehicle. This is a very big boot. It gets the boot carrying capacity is 380 liters, and it also gets a light over here, as you can see, and it gets a storage area here. And let me show you the spare wheel of the vehicle. This is the spare wheel of the vehicle. It does not get an alloy, of course, and it's the same size. It also gets a mini tool area over there, as you can see. And this is the jack of the vehicle. So let's close the boot right now. The boot is closed. It also gets a rear defogger in the rear windshield itself. It's not bad that Tata Motors have given so many features that time itself. So let's move on to the interior. First we'll move on to the back seat of the vehicle. Let's move on to the back seat. The door opens large and wide enough. It gets power window controls at the back and ashtray over here. This is the back seat of the vehicle. So let's get inside. This is the back seat of the vehicle, as you can see, and 3 people might be comfortable, but there's a hump here that's not that big, but 3 people can sit in comfortably. No scooped out seat backs. There's space here to put keep stuffs in both seats. So let me show you the dashboard of the vehicle front. This is the dashboard. And it gets 2 fixed headrests at the back and 2 adjustable headrests at the front. And I'll show you the dashboard once again. Let's move on to the front of the vehicle. We are in the front right now. So in the doors, you get door pockets. Can fit a 1 liter bottle easily. It's very big, and you get reflectors over here. This is a dummy, but a speaker can be fit in. That's aftermarket or from your dealer. This is the front dashboard, and the right side, you get this button. That's for the rear defogger switch. Yeah, once you press this, it becomes on, and you get AC vents on the side that is fully black. Here down below you get the fuel lid opener and the boot opener here. Let's get inside. This is the 3-spoke hydraulic collapsible power steering, and it also gets a chrome line here also in the steering as well. And this is the front dashboard of the vehicle. It's very simple, as you can see. Hazard light switch. These are for the AC controls, AC vents controls, and this is for the temperature controls. This is for the fan speed. This is for the different modes. And this stereo comes aftermarket, and it gets a 12-volt charging socket over here, and there's some storage space here underneath. And these are the power window switches here in the center, and this is the 5-speed manual transmission, as you can see. Let's check the glove box. This can be locked. There's decent amount of space in the glove box, as you can see. There are 2 cup holders in the glove box as well. And the front dashboard gets a clock over here, as you can see. It's written Indigo in the clock. And those are the speakers in the front. As we come to this side, the doors get this uh, internally adjustable rear inside rear view mirrors, and these are the IRVMs that are not auto dimming, but you can adjust over here. And this gets a sunglass holder over here, as you can see. It gets a light placement, and the sun visor does not get a mirror nor a light, but you can get ticket holders over here, as you can see. And the co-driver side, it gets a mirror but no light. There's handles to hold on to, but no hook even at the back. And this is the antenna of the vehicle, as you can see. As we come, the instrument cluster over here, as you can see, it gets a speedometer in the left and a RPM meter in the right, and gets. Anyways, I am sorry to tell that I am under 18 years, and according to the law I can't drive the vehicle, but I can start the vehicle right now. So let's start the vehicle. The vehicle should not be started until the sound goes. Let's start the vehicle right now, and it rose to life. Let me switch on the AC, as it is very hot right now. Yeah, it gives maximum cooling, as you can see. The Tata Motors has given many features, as you can see. In that time itself, Tata has given many features that is needed for a normal vehicle. That's very good. So let's end this video. This is my review of the Tata Indigo CS. Make sure to if you like the video, give it a like, and if you are new to the channel, give it a subscribe, and to stay tuned, click the bell icon. Thank you.